Keep your head in one spot. Watch this ball. There you go. Good swing. Try it again.
Papa?
Throw it. Throw me the ball. You ready? Almost. That's a good swing.
One more try.
One more try. Here we go. Last one. Bottom of the ninth. Bases loaded. 2 strikes. Nice!
Yeah! Woo!
I got it, buddy.
Hey, did you hit it? Did you get a good hit? Emmett, did you get a good hit?
Yeah.
What are we playing?
Was it awesome?
Tell the camera how old you are and how your hit was. No, look at the camera.
Tell them what you were doing. And what were you doing? I can't hear you when you turn that way.
Okay. I guess he doesn't want to see himself on the camera later on.
I'm playing baseball. I got 1,000 strikes and 2 hits.
Good job, buddy.